Dustin Rogers. This is my 2015 Evo, 2.2 liter big bore. AMS turbo kit, makes 620 to the wheels right now. Whole list of stuff done to it, pretty much anything you can think of. Right now, I feel I'm a little off pace from where I normally am. Autocross is going okay right now. I got second place in my class yesterday, so probably another second or two out there for sure. Yesterday, I think I finished 5th overall, so doing all right. It's a great atmosphere. It's the competition has gotten better and better over the years, and I always love doing autocross here. Always fast courses. Great event. Great time to hang out with people. Nice weather. I always come out and have fun in the car. Don't be afraid to ask for help. That's how I got faster, just traveling around with the RS team, doing the Optima Ultimate Streetcar Challenge, and then doing Gridlife, and asking for pointers, asking to ride with people, see the line. Ronnie's coaching over the years has been huge to me, along with Andy and everybody else, and saying, what can I do to get the car to do this or that, or how should I drive this part, even on course walks and whatnot. So I try to pass that on to other people now as much as I can. If anybody asks me for a ride along or me to ride with them and give them pointers, it's part of the fun for me. So I buy a lot of my stuff from MAPerformance. I've dealt with them for years. Back when I used to do drag racing, I was actually sponsored by them, and then kind of got into more of the corner stuff, but still order a ton of my parts through them. Have a couple of their parts on the car now. Their lower intercooler pipe is on it. It's my favorite one on the market. You can pull the transmission in and out without taking it out, and when you're trying to fix the car at the track or something, if you have a clutch issue, huge plus to not have to pull all that off. I used to have built motor by them. Just through the years, with the setup changes, just had to go with different parts here and there. So I try to run whatever I can from them when I can. Great company, love the support, love that they're local. Something shows up in a day to my house without having to overnight it. So it's always great.